And we are back with another box break. Today, 2 blasters of 2022 Topps Archives Baseball. I always love archives. I've had these sitting around. I've been meaning to open them. So why not? Let's get into them, see what we can get. This is the splendid rookie class that we always talk about. J-Rod, Wander Franco, Jeremy Pena. Can all be found in these. Oneil, Cruz, Bobby Witt Jr., Stephen Kwan. Just a bunch. Torkelson, Seiya, Suzuki. Who else? Stott, Brandon Marsh, Hunter Green. Great class. So you can find those in these. Really cool, just really cool cards. They're basically like, they're utilizing, for the throwback designs, they're utilizing 63, I believe, 78, and 87, which you'll see when I start opening them. Let me get these. Actually, first, give you a chance to pause for the odds. All right, so let's get the packs out. There's the first bunch. And the second. Go ahead and put that there. I'm gonna move the packs off just to give myself some more room. All right. Perfect. All right. Let's get into this like we always do about this time. Let's rip some packs. 2022 Topps Archives Baseball. Let's see what we can get. Ohtani from the jump. Not a bad start. Ryan McMahon. Jacob deGrom. Paul Goldschmidt. Gavin Lux, Future Stars. And Ryan Sandberg. That's cool. So there should be 3 of these exclusive big foil cards per box. And this would be our first one right here, the Ryan Sandberg. That's pretty cool. I like that. G. Leota. Wander Franco, rookie. Nice. Pretty cool first pack. And Edward Cabrera. So fun stuff already. I'm definitely going to get the Wander up there now. Because why not? All right, pack number 2. Let's see if we can get the J-Rod as well out of one of these. The struggle is real, and the struggle is back. I'm not sure what has happened to me. Maybe I've opened too many packs today, because I have opened quite a few today. All right, we're switching course. Let's cut into them. It's kind of embarrassing, really, if you think about it. But, oh well. Josh Hader. Yadier Molina. John Smoltz. Oh, that's cool. Ken Griffey Jr. It's very cool. Ozzie Smith. Liam Hendricks. Tyler Glasnow. And Lou Gehrig. That's sweet. These cards are just so cool. I don't know if I dare even attempt to open this normal. Oh, there we go. We got a good one. Greg Maddux with the specs. Cool card. Mark McGwire, Cardinals jersey. Jeff Paper Bagwell. Hunter Green rookie. That's sweet. Lamont Wade Jr. And it looks like Greetings from Angels. Mike Trout insert of some sort. That's cool. Chipper Jones in the 87 design. And Willie McCovey. All right. I'm going to go ahead and put this Lou Gehrig center stage for now. And also, this Ken Griffey Jr. can go right here. There we go. All right, next pack. Luis Garcia on the back. Craig Biggio, Mitch Haniger, Sean Murphy, Alberto Mondesi, and Vasquez leads Red Sox. Nick Lodolo, rookie. Bryce Elder, rookie. And there's the Luis Garcia. Okay. Jed Lowry of the Athletics. Stanton in the Yankees jersey. Trey Turner. Emmanuel Clase. Jonathan India. And our next big foil card is Randy Johnson to go along with the Ryan Sandberg. Jazz Chisholm Jr., Casey Mize, and Nick Castellanos. Cool stuff. I'd love to hear what you guys think of these cards because I've always loved them every year. Matter of fact, I'm looking forward to the 2023 edition. Nico Horner, Kyle Mueller, Aaron Ashby rookie card, Luis Gil rookie card of the Yankees, Brian De La Cruz rookie card. Ooh, and our third and final out of this box big foil card is Shohei Ohtani. Sweet. Cal Raleigh rookie of the Mariners, and then Adolis Garcia. All right, final pack of Blaster Value Box number 1 of 2022 Topps Archives Baseball. Cedric Mullins from the jump. Chris Sale, Marcus Semien, Roberto Clemente. That's sweet. That's very sweet. I like that. That's awesome. Fernando Tatis Jr. Major League debut, it says. Jim Thome in the 87 design. That's kind of cool. Harmon Killebrew. Another good one. Oh, that's sweet. That Tom Seaver 87 design. Very sweet. I'm going to put that over there. All right. We are on to the next box. However, before I do anything, I want to get this Shohei up there like so. And I'm going to go ahead and move that to the back and get another one, hoping that we pull some more magic. Let's find that J-Rod rookie. Even the Jeremy Pena rookie would be appreciated. All right. We're on to box number 2. Big Mac again. Craig Biggio again. Jeff Paper Bagwell again. Hunter Green rookie again. And Brandon Marsh rookie for our big foil. Willie McCovey, Nick Lodolo rookie again, and Bryce Elder rookie again. All right, well, I hope we don't have a duplicate box problem because I feel like I've been running into this a lot lately, and it looks like we may. Haniger, Lowry, Murphy, yep, Mondesi, Clase. Got the Vladdy Jr., kind of cool. Luis Garcia and Jazz Chisholm Jr. once again. All right. Hopefully this will switch up. And nope, Castellanos. I know we got him. I know we got Stanton, Turner, Jarren Duran rookie. I don't know if we got that. India, Gil, and we've got Cincinnati, Joey Votto insert. That's kind of cool. Casey Mize again and Castellanos again. They're doing me dirty. Doing me dirty. Next pack, 2022 Topps Archives Baseball. Nico Horner again. Kyle Mueller again. De La Cruz. Semien. Tyler Gilbert's no-no. Romy Gonzalez rookie, Cal Raleigh rookie again, and Adolis Garcia. Come on. At least the inserts aren't dupes, I guess. And the Tom Seaver again. The Aaron Ashby again. Cedric Mullins. Chris Sale. Roberto Clemente. That's a cool one to get two of. Duke Snyder. That's pretty cool. Oh, another sweet big foil. This time Ken Griffey Jr. That's almost as sweet as the Shohei. Maybe better. Jim Thome again. Harmon Killebrew again. And the Tom Seaver again. All right. Pretty frustrating, really. All right. Second to last pack of box number 2. Andrew Benintendi in a Royals jersey. Kente Maeda. Kyle Lewis. Richie Ashburn. Spencer Torkelson rookie. All right, there we go. There's some. Ooh, Mariano Rivera. As my dog sits outside watching. Sweet. Take that all day, every day. Nick Plummer, rookie. Gavin Lux. And Trevor Story. All right. Last pack. Like I always say, let's get romantic and have some last pack romance. Or last pack mojo. Whatever you want to call it. Babe Ruth. And there was Mariano making his presence felt. Mike Piazza. Royce Lewis rookie. Wade Boggs, that's cool. Willie Mays, Major League debut. Ian Happ. Jared Walsh. And the Jake Berger rookie. So, that was fun. Even though got a lot of duplicates. Loving these big cards that you get. This Rivera, the Otani, the Griffey. We got another Griffey back there. Wander Franco rookie was certainly a nice, sweet pull. We got the Torkelson rookie. We did not get the J-Rod, but this was, overall, this was great and fun. Like I said earlier, let me know what you think down in the comments of the cards and what your favorite was. But we shall certainly do this again soon. Until next time, we are out.